In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace fonts document-wide in PowerPoint. This process is not only straightforward but also incredibly useful for creating a cohesive and professional-looking presentation without manually changing each slide's text. Whether you're updating an existing presentation or starting fresh, this technique will save you time and effort. Let's dive right in. Start by clicking on your Windows icon, located at the bottom left corner of your screen, and launch Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're already familiar with how to open PowerPoint, you know it's just a few clicks away. Once you have PowerPoint open, you can either open an existing presentation or create a new one. Feel free to go ahead and add any photos, tables, or other content that you need for your presentation. Now, let's move on to the core part of this tutorial. Navigate to the View tab, situated on the toolbar at the top of your PowerPoint window. From here, you'll want to access the Slide Master. Click on Slide Master, which will open up a special view that allows you to make changes to the overall design and layout of your slides. Next, you'll find yourself on the Slide Master tab. Here, you need to locate the Fonts drop-down menu. When you click on it, a list of fonts will appear. This is where you can select the new font you want to apply across your presentation. Take a moment to think about which font would best fit the style and message of your presentation. Once you've made your decision, simply select your desired font from the list. This choice will update all the slides that utilize that particular font theme. It's important to note, however, that the change might not affect any text boxes where you have manually altered text formatting. But generally, any slide that adheres to the default font settings of the presentation will reflect your chosen font. Finally, to implement this change throughout your presentation, click on Close Master View. This button is located on the Slide Master tab, and once clicked, it will apply all changes you've made to your entire presentation. By doing so, your font changes are seamlessly integrated into every applicable slide, giving your presentation a consistent and polished appearance. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've efficiently changed your presentation's font throughout, ensuring uniformity and professionalism. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want more tips and tricks on improving your presentations and other software wonders.